When it comes to setting up an e-commerce business, the supplier options available to you can make or break your success. If you're stuck choosing between Spocket and BigCommerce, you probably want to know which one offers more options to help you scale your store. Let's dive into the details and see how these two platforms compare in providing suppliers for e-commerce so you can make an informed choice. Stick around till the end, as I'll share an alternative that I personally think might just be the best fit for your business. Let's start with Spocket. Spocket positions itself as a platform that connects e-commerce entrepreneurs with suppliers, mostly based in the US and the EU. They focus heavily on dropshipping, offering a curated list of high-quality suppliers with fast shipping times, which is ideal if you're targeting customers in those regions. This is a huge selling point for Spocket. Faster shipping means happier customers, and that can lead to repeat business. But how extensive is their supplier network? Next thing to consider, Spocket is relatively limited when compared to some other platforms in terms of the sheer number of suppliers. While they have a solid offering for those looking for quality over quantity, it's still smaller than what you'll find on larger platforms like BigCommerce. So, if you're looking for variety and a wider range of products, Spocket might feel a little too narrow, especially when you're just starting out and exploring different niches. But if your main priority is quality and reliable shipping, this could be the right fit. Now, let's talk about BigCommerce. BigCommerce, unlike Spocket, is a full-fledged e-commerce platform rather than a dropshipping marketplace. It has its own set of built-in supplier integrations, which include dropshipping partnerships. BigCommerce supplier network is generally much broader, with numerous third-party integrations available that can connect you to a variety of suppliers from all around the world. This makes it a more versatile choice if you're looking to scale your business globally and need a wider range of products. However, while BigCommerce gives you access to more suppliers, it's not necessarily a seamless experience. You're dealing with third-party apps and integrations that might have compatibility issues, or even extra fees involved. If you're not technically inclined, this might feel a bit like a maze to navigate. Additionally, shipping times and supplier quality can vary greatly, which means you'll have to vet each supplier carefully to ensure you're meeting customer expectations. The fourth thing to look at is ease of use. Spocket has an intuitive interface designed specifically for dropshippers, so it's incredibly easy to connect with suppliers, import products into your store, and manage orders. BigCommerce, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve and can feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. While it does offer tons of customization and features, it can take some time to get used to. Both platforms are good for e-commerce, but here's where it gets interesting. If your goal is to have access to more supplier options, BigCommerce certainly takes the lead. However, if you're a smaller business focused on quality products and speedy delivery, Spocket might be your best bet. But here's the twist. After trying both of these myself and weighing all the factors, I would recommend a better alternative for those looking for the most reliable and varied suppliers, with an easier experience than BigCommerce offers. If you're interested, you can check out the first link in the description for a free trial of this platform, which I believe is the best solution for anyone looking to scale their e-commerce store with the most supplier options. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Spocket and BigCommerce each have their merits, but for your specific needs, more supplier options and a smoother experience, the choice I'm recommending today will help you achieve your goals faster. Don't forget to check out the link and start your free trial.